Hi guys, welcome back. I'm doing this Dollar Tree Easter countdown calendar today. It's kind of like an advent calendar, but my own spin on it. I used all Dollar Tree items to make this really cost effective, but this is a great technique to count down to anything. So any special day you're counting down to, I encourage you to try this, especially now you can get these little eggs at most of the stores. To begin the project, I got some packages of the plastic eggs. I got one package, I think it had 16 eggs, and it was the smaller size, kind of that traditional Easter egg size that we see on Easter egg hunts. And then I also got a couple packages of these larger eggs because I'm going to fill them with little surprises, and some of them are different sizes, and this way I can kind of pick an egg that is the appropriate size. I got a bunch of these Paw Patrol figures. My daughter's really into Paw Patrol now, and these were each $1, but I only got some of those. And then for the rest of the fillings, I got packs of things just to cut down on cost. You know, I'm doing a 30-day countdown, so I didn't want to buy 30 different items. Those were some crayons shaped like bunnies. These are little erasers. There are all sorts of fun favor type items at the Dollar Tree for Easter. So just kind of let your imagination go wild. These are little stampers, things like stickers, temporary tattoos. Chocolate would be great for this project. You know, most traditional advent calendars at Christmas, they're filled with chocolate anyway. So that would be a really cost-effective way to fill these eggs, is just pick up some of your child's favorite candy and fill it up that way. Really simple. To start, I'm just taking one of my eggs and I'm going to put one of my little surprises inside, obviously. So this one is a perfect fit here. And then to seal it up, I'm going to use some washi tape. The washi tape is sort of an unnecessary step, but I liked the idea of using it because it seals it up, and now you have an element of breaking something apart to get into your surprise. If you get one of those cardboard advent calendars that are filled with chocolate, your child has to punch the little window, right? So I thought it would be fun to have some sort of seal that you have to break open. And this washi tape came from the Dollar Tree. It's not Easter themed, but it kind of looked Easterish. So I thought that was a good pick. And now I just have to add a number. I'm using some craft paint that I already had. I didn't have to buy anything for this, but you could add a number any way you want. Obviously, Sharpies would be a great option. I was looking for number stickers at the Dollar Tree when I was getting ready to do this, and I couldn't find anything that would work. But maybe you want to look at your local Dollar Tree. Maybe you'll have better luck. But painting them on worked just great. This craft paint dries almost immediately, so I love working with it. There, I'm blowing on it, trying to speed it up, and then that's it. I'm going to show you this one more time using one of the larger eggs. It's the same idea. You do the exact same thing. Like I said, my daughter is really into Paw Patrol, so I bought these little Paw Patrol figures, but right now the Dollar Tree has so many different kinds of figures. They've got all sorts of Disney, all sorts of Nickelodeon, My Little Pony, all kinds of things. So you can find something, whatever characters your child likes. And I'm doing this video now because if you want to do a 30-day countdown and you're doing this, watching this in the year 2021, you need to start your countdown on March 5th. So that's this week when this is going up. But you can do however many days you want. You could do a 14-day countdown, a 10-day countdown, a 7-day countdown. Just do it the week leading up to Easter, whatever you want. This is a really customizable project, like I said. That's something that I love about it. Whatever your family wants to celebrate, you can make it work for you. And there I am blowing on it again. And then you just repeat until you have all of your eggs. Here's the mess I was left with. And then you want to, of course, get a basket to fill up. Dollar Tree has so many really cute baskets right now, so you can pick something that your child would like. I got some bows as well. I'm going to add it to the side just to make it a little more colorful, but you could decorate this however you want. And there you go. It's finished. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try this. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit the red subscribe button. I have more videos coming up. We celebrate Easter and Passover, and so I'm going to have a matzah dessert no bake video in a few weeks. I also have another Easter video. We're going to take Dollar Tree baskets and make them look like Disney characters. You don't want to miss it. I will see you guys next time.